Good evening, sir. This is Richie Arubia po. Import trading, import time, import random. So, trading is allow us to create multiple threads or simulate multiple users. Si time used to create, delay. Then random used to randomly choose deposit, withdraw, and random amounts. And we name back class bank account. And we created class to represent one bank account. So div in itself, self-balance 1,000, self-semaphore trading that semaphore. Yan po yung importante kasi po only one thread can access the critical section at a time. So the question is, where exactly did you implement the semaphore wait and signal operations? The wait operation was implemented using self-semaphore acquire. Yan po. The signal operation was implemented using self-semaphore release naman. These were placed at the beginning of the deposit, withdraw, and finally block. Why did you place it at that specific location? I placed semaphore acquire before accessing and modifying the balance and release after finishing the balance update. Kasi po, the balance is shared resource since one bank account lang po siya. And multiple threads could try to update it at the same time. Then, two threads modify the balance simultaneously. Maiwasan po natin yung race condition. By locking before the critical section and unlocking after, only one thread can modify the balance at a time. So, ito na po. When I run the program, multiple threads attempted to deposit and withdraw simultaneously because I use a semaphore with value 1. Only one thread can enter critical section at a time. This ensure the shared resource which is the balance was updated correctly without race conditions. And the final balance confirms that synchronization worked properly. And what would happen without semaphore? Both read balance 1,000 adds 200 to 1, 2. One subtracts 300 to 700. So final balance becomes incorrect. And yun po yung yatawag na race condition na i-prevent po yun ni semaphore. Yun lang po. Thank you.